the snow. Just the beginning of it. About 4 or 5 inches of heavy wet stuff. Wish I'd do it again, but it's not fun. The blizzard is here. It's starting.